Hi. So it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning and I already had a very weird day. I mean, it's not weird, it's okay. It's interesting. So I have to go to work around 4 a.m. and I work at FedEx. So we went to go get gas this morning and we were the only people there. So then I come back out to go in the car and I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to put the money back in my pocket. And so I opened the car door and I just see this strange man sitting there looking at me, and he just goes, "Wrong car." He's not British. He was like, "Wrong car," and I was like, "Oh my god." I was like, "Oh my god, I'm so sorry." And he was like, "It's okay, it's early, I get it," but I was like cringing at myself for like the next hour. So then I get to work and nobody's there. None of the managers are there. Usually there's like a whiteboard to say like how many boxes we're taking care of. The board was blank, like nobody was there. I showed up, some dude showed up, and then a lady showed up. And we were wondering like where everyone was. And then we waited for like 20 minutes and then one of our managers came in looking very confused, and apparently one of the managers were supposed to call everyone saying that today was canceled, and I was one of the people who did not get called, so... But then, it was fine. It was funny. It was funny. So then I went to Wegmans by myself. I went in by myself, and I found a lot of cool vegan stuff, like lots of cheese and stuff. And I bought a vegan pizza and coffee creamer. And that was really fun. Here's some photos. Wow, cool montage. Wow. Fun. It's fun being by yourself sometimes, like going places by yourself, and just kind of venturing out, taking your time, looking at things. Yeah, what? And then I did my makeup and stuff. I forgot my lashes at my boyfriend's house, so I feel a bit naked on the eyes, but what are you gonna do, you know what I'm saying? But I can't really do my makeup like when I go to work or anything, because it's a lot of, you sweat a lot, you're lifting up packages, you get really dirty, and I'm not wasting my makeup on that, you know what I'm saying? So I did my makeup for myself today because I really miss it. I love doing makeup and I miss it a lot. Also, I think this video is all over the place, but so earlier I mentioned about a pizza. It was like the Daiya pizza, and so I have this, and then I have the Alfredo ones, and now I have a Daiya pizza. I'm not sponsored, but I should be. I mean, I'm just saying. I really want to get an apartment this year, and so I can, you know, live my own life and whatever. I live at my uncle's right now, and I basically like share a room with my mom, and there's not enough room. Most of my stuff is still in Tully, and yeah, I miss having like a room and just, you know, like I just want a place where I can have like my own pets and, you know, do whatever I want. Hang up the lights and have books and stuff. So that's one goal for 2018, is to get an apartment. So let's see if that happens. I hope it does. My goodness, I hope it does. It's a few hours later and I made the vegan pizza. And I added veggies on it because, you know, health is wealth, my dude. Health is wealth. That was a joke, because this is like a lot of fucking salt in it.